So I have here two different Google Sheet. First one is product required and second is product price, which is raw data. So I will use Vlookup formula to get price of this product code. So when I will use Vlookup formula directly, you can see when I am using it and selecting the range, you will see it is not allowing us to use this Vlookup formula. So now what is the different way? What is the way to use it? So first of all, you will have to go to the raw sheet, and from the URL you will have to copy some content from this slide to that slide, just only this slide to that slide. You will select this text, this code from this slide to this slash to that slash and copy it. Now you move to that sheet where you will have to apply the formula. First you will apply a formula, that is import range. Why? I will explain it later. So use it, apply import range, opening bracket and start double inverted comma and paste that content, close double inverted comma, use comma, again double inverted comma, and then you will have to use this sheet name. If it is sheet 1, I'll write sheet 1. If I will change it, I will change same there. So I have changed it as a data, so I will write here data. But before that, double inverted comma, again single inverted comma, and I will write this sheet name, that is data. So I will write as it is the sheet name, data. I will close single inverted comma. So I'll type it and then I will use this symbol exclamation mark, and I will put a cell value of the row sheet, that is A2, double inverted comma and closing bracket. After this you will get this information pop up which will ask you to allow. Just you allow access, click here and you can see the access has been granted. Now you will be able to use Vlookup. So I am using it. You just have to type equal to Vlookup, opening bracket, the cell which has to be looked, comma, and import range. Import range, starting bracket, double inverted comma, and paste the content which has been copied earlier. Close double inverted comma, again start double inverted comma, single inverted comma, write the sheet name of raw data, that was data, that is data. So I will write it as it is, the sheet name data, closing single inverted comma. Again I'll have to write here the data range of raw sheet which has been looked for. So before that put here exclamation mark, go to the raw sheet and select the data range from the common data to the data which has to be collected. So you can directly write it or copy from here, both will be the same. So I am just copying it and just paste here. Now closing single inverted comma, double inverted comma and closing bracket, and now comma, and I'll have to put the number of column from the common point to the data has to be collected. You already used it in normal Vlookup formula, so I'm putting it. I'm writing 3 comma, by default you have to write 0 and close the bracket. You can see this formula is absolutely working here. You can drag, you can copy to the different cell, drag down, or copy to that upper cell also, which has been used only import range. So friend, this is the way to use VLOOKUP formula in between two different Google Sheet. So if you have liked this video, please mention your comment in comment section and like this video, share this video. Thank you for watching. We will meet again with new information. Till now, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.